Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the tempo to about 130-140 BPM so energy matches Jersey Club. This matters for groove and vocal chops. Next, you import an 808, a punchy kick, tight claps, and vocal slices into Logic's sampler or quick sampler. Once done, lay down a 4-bar loop with kick on one and chopped vocals off beat to test rhythm. Make sure to set your audio buffer low for tight monitoring. This first loop becomes your template for all edits. You now design the core groove. Program a syncopated kick pattern with occasional 1/8 ghost hits to create bounce. Then chop vocals into 1/16 to 1/8 slices in quick sampler. Pitch shift some slices down and reverse others to add rhythmic tension. Once you have slices placed, process elements, use transient shaping on kicks to tighten attack, subtractive EQ to clear low-mid mud, gentle saturation for warmth, and short, bright reverb sends for space. Keep levels conservative so the groove stays punchy. You finish by arranging. Create tension with muted chop fills, automate filter cutoff and vocal repeats for drops, and alternate sparse verses with dense chorus sections. For mixing, add parallel compression to drums for weight, and sidechain bass to kick around 3/6 dB to preserve punch. Once mixed, bounce stems and check on phone and monitors. If timing or transient bleed ruins the groove, use flex time or snap slices to grid to realign. This fixes performance timing without re-recording and keeps the vibe intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.